So it's me, Protein here. I'm getting lagged out of this GB, clearly. Let's go with my partner. There you go. Internet connection problem. There's my router. There, I just got timed out right there. Server connection timed out. Even said so. I don't know what the fuck is going on. They did invite a guy named Assurable. I'm for sure getting booted. Guaranteed. By these fucking nerds. Talk shit. Join session. One of my guys got an invite only, so I'm gonna have to accept the game invite. I'm gonna try to accept this, see if this works. I doubt it. Alright, so what happens when I restart my router while I'm being IP flooded? Alright, so here's my Skype call. Obviously, I can't even call him back. Still says I have bars on my laptop. Let me put an Ethernet cable on my laptop. Here's my Ethernet cord for my laptop. I'm putting it in. Your sign-in status has changed. Return to the main menu. Must be signed into PlayStation Network. Obviously, I'm getting IP flooded. Right there is the proof. Look at my laptop with that little signal thing right there. It means my internet's working, but I'm being pushed. I'm being flooded right there. That's the proof. That little signal bar. And I have the Ethernet cable plugged in right here, as you can see. Blah, blah. Let me shine the light down a bit. There you go. That's the proof of me being IP flooded real quick. Oh, man. GB, you gotta fix this shit, man. Signing in. Obviously, I can't sign in. My router lights have not changed yet. Whenever this router light goes orange, that one, the second one from the left. So, sorry, that was my finger. It's my router, that's my modem. Alright, so here still says that. Can't even get on my Skype call. Can't sign in. Here's my other laptop. This is a DNS error. Suck my cock. You can see there's my other laptop right there. Let me show you. One laptop, TV, my other laptop. Alright, it's not doing that signal anymore. I should be able to sign in technically right now. Alright. Let's see what happens. And it's magically he's in a party, pre-game lobby. Obviously, I'm not being. My connection's perfectly fine. I get online. The game's done. Obviously. Yo, so what happened? I got IP flooded. Obviously. I obviously got IP flooded. Yeah, I'm taking a mad video though right now. Alright.